hand that off.
For us, being on Gemini Enterprise Agent platform has dramatically decreased cost while increasing efficiency. I am Ksenia Iliuk, co-founder and CEO of LetsData. LetsData is a narrative intelligence company. We help corporates and governments to detect narratives, impersonations, deepfakes running across social media platforms, ad libraries. We are an AI native solution. So we started with a classical machine learning model. The next layer became more complex large language models. And here it's very important for us that all Google models are multimodal and multilingual because we process the data from multiple social media platforms in multiple languages. Previously, all of this was different architecture. It was scattered all around and we had to spend enormous effort of our engineering team. After migrating to Google Cloud and Gemini, the problem has disappeared because Gemini natively understands cross languages, cross platforms. For us, instead of running multiple models, we could run one, which allows us to save time and instead to focus on what's important. We train basically all of these models to surface these anomalies, merge them and qualify them into the incident so that our clients know that it's not just a random post on the internet, it's a narrative threat that could result in operational disruption, cyber attack, or very often just reputational damage. Vantage monitors an enormous amount of information. We're talking like millions of publications per day, so that can scale to sometimes billion data points that we have to process. For us, speed and efficiency is priority. That's why we combined Google PubSub with the Google Kubernetes engine, which allows us to scale very fast. Some of the data points that we get from social media can get as fast as 5 seconds. But that's actually not where the real magic happens. It happens in the processing stage, where we analyze all of these anomalies, combines them, and triggers the alert to the customer. By combining PubSub with Kubernetes, we can do all of that smoothly. We could scale. Our product now surfaces a lot of narrative intelligence. What we want to shift to is being able to take action on behalf of our clients. This is where agent comes in, an agentic capabilities that could take that intelligence and go investigate it further, take an action, explore, and deliver the result. That's why we are planning to use the Gemini Enterprise Agent platform. With Google Cloud, LetsData is building a new way to attack narrative attacks, impersonations, and coordinated behavior.